Funky D. Welcome back. Yes, today, I have some news when we see a lot of people are being used by the federal government. This one, the federal government then get too much propaganda machine everywhere where they plant both some youths in that country. You understand? Both ladies, both men, both Hausa, both Yoruba, both Igbos, both Efik, both Jaw people, both from all parts of the country, then get their propaganda machine. So, before I go into this news now, when I want to give to now, make I use this opportunity to tell you when never subscribe before. Make you just press that button when they write subscribe. You press it, and again another button did there. One bell sign did there, press so that anytime when I upload, you will still get my video. All right, so make we just get into the news when I get for now today. You know the reason why when I bring out this topic, because we don't hear the man himself, one of the call Buhari, say in talk say then go open the border this year. That is this January. That this year, that is the January, beginning of January. That is what they said last time. Even all of them, even they don't accept, see, man. A lot of them, a lot of people in Nigeria, they don't know, see, this border when they close, not make any sense. You understand? Where it not come make any sense now. Where the same man when be on a president, they tell on us say, in one. People when they all over Africa to they enter Nigeria without visa. Now they not come make sense. Again, people when we say that they do business in Nigeria there, when they from Cotonou they bring in things, rice, beans, different kind of things, you know, all of them they cry for shortage because since when they close the border, they cannot. People when they Nigeria, when travel from Cotonou come Nigeria, come buy something, then they stranded. They don't close the border. A lot of difficulties. Their goods rotting. In fact, people when still they from Nigeria travel go Cotonou, when one bring in things, they cannot bring in things because they close the border. Their goods rotting. Goods worth millions of naira. Now him people when they Nigeria, when be business people, then lost. First time, then tell us then close the border because so that our farm people when they do farm then go then go work hard and the farm product they don't come tell us say before when they close that Islam Mohammed don't come talk about the rice where they produce. Talk about how many people, thousands of people when they produce rice when we not see the place where they produce any rice in Nigeria. They don't lie. They continue to lie. Now another propaganda don't come. One man, when they say na Igbo man, they say the man send the news say Igbo leader sends message to Buhari. You understand? Which is propaganda. The propaganda when they ladies and gentlemen be say they said the Igbo leader in the Igbo community in Zamfara. And this Zamfara, make not forget say the state where they fight better fights. In one of the most dangerous places in Nigeria. One of the most dangerous places in Nigeria. This Zamfara, Borno State, these two places are dangerous places. So the man, they say the man na Ezeibo Zamfara. His name na Chief Ebunna Obiluku, ladies and gentlemen. They said the man don't call on President Muhammadu Buhari led government, that is aka Jubri, to continue with the border closure. To continue with the border closure. Say because the border closure they benefit a lot of people, including him, when they talk, including the federal government in Nigeria. That is meaning it is good to close border. May them close that border. Make them not open up. Now the thing when the propaganda machine, they tell us. You understand? And this thing, when the man talk now on Saturday here in Gwasu, now the man, the Ezigbo, one of Zamfara State talking, can see the majority of Nigerians, they never still realize say the benefit of the border closure they too much. That is the benefit when Nigerian people they benefit by closing the border they too much. Now the thing where they try to tell us here, you know, he say Buhari have a good intention for Nigerian people. For the next level matter when them be the APC. Now only APC people, now them they next level. I'm not sure whether any Nigerian person they next level with these people. You understand? Their next level, I don't tell you now before the meaning of their next level. Not to kill you blindly, kill you physically, destroy Nigeria completely, loot your money to their safe haven when they are abroad where they don't go. Now it's not easy for them to transfer to the loot the money come Western world again now. Now Africa there, now all of them they loot their money they go. They don't divert because they know see Western world people they pursue them. Although some of them still get their money, some of them still they try to they bring come with different names to Western world. So this is one at their next level to kill you, to use you as slave, to destroy Nigeria completely, to loot all the whole fund, Nigerian money when they for the treasury. Now that one be their next level. If you don't know before, make you they know them now. We not there in their next level. We not there. Now only APC people, now them they on their, they just there on their own, they do their own next level. Nobody when they their next level. Their next level, I say now to use Boko Haram and herdsmen to baptize you. When you think say them be your friend, they not be your friend. No time when they go ever be your friend. And no time when they go ever treat you like their friend. So all these things now propaganda, ladies and gentlemen. That's why all the time I they call on Nnamdi Kanu, make it continue. Make God give her more strength to the agitate. Then we go they follow up to the agitate until that Biafra go come. Because we're not the APC or PDP next level. We and them we not the same lane. Then they on their own, we they on our own. And I swear, that is another one again. The show what make the in fact we go they follow now, the support on her because we know say on be the people when get good intention for Nigerian people. These two men, then get good intention for Nigerian people. You understand? For somebody now, then go kill finish, you go come the talk, so in the sending condolence to the people where they don't already die. Make the family console themselves. But that's why they tell us say all those things now tongue, you know they pass in their tongue. All the whole thing when Buhari they talk, when you see get up Jubri or anybody when they there they talk. When you see get better thing when in want do for you, you know they pass that their tongue when they talk. That time at that particular when they talk the thing don't come up for their mind. Because somebody when get good intention for him people, then they know her. Do you understand? Somebody when get good intention for their own people, then they know her. If this man get good intention, I say Boko Haram no go to exist. Herdsmen no go to exist. All this looting no go to exist. All these lies no go to exist. Again, we don't hear now say, before I go forget this news, man, I just drop this one here for now. The news tell us now say, DSS go arrest one guy when them feel say, according to the news, now them feel say that the guy do that propaganda video against Buhari and Buhari's wife. In fact, the contact say not be only one video the guy do. They say that 2 videos when he do, pertaining 2 ladies when Buhari won't marry. So the news they tell us now say the guy now they for DSS custody. when intake make why the reason why he make that video, that fake video. Now so then call him. You know, everything about these people are fake. You know, when that Aisha Buhari video first come out, first go viral, APC people, including all of those people, they already don't tell us say na doctored video. That thing when Mama Daura daughter do, they don't already come out even before Aisha Buhari come back from where she have the wrong go hide. So the DSS and the police and the Asorok people, the Buhari's Abi Jubri's aid, they don't come and come tell us say that first time before Aisha Buhari come out, they don't tell us in a doctored video. In fact, Amechi own, they don't tell us in a doctored video. But at the end of the day, Aisha come back, come confirm him, come tell the world, say, yes, not true. So, how you can't tell be fake now? In fact, Aisha don't tell Nigerian people, say, in don't confront his husband, the matter, and they don't talk, say, Aisha don't confront or say Banjo come they tell and say, no, say, make you forget, say, na mere rumor. At the end of the day, the thing not true. So, which one now come be the fake video when they arrest this guy now when they talk? Because if Aisha Buhari come and come confirm him, say, yes, this one, this kind of thing, they happened before. They happen, not be saying a lie, it happen. So, at the end of the day, because they catch these people, that is why you see them withdraw. But who know whether they don't do the marriage in secret? Anytime when you catch these people, in all this their art, whether they art, they must to deny them. They must to come out and tell you, say, no, not be so it be. So for you to know the level of wayo when these people they do in that Nigeria, you go back to what happened to Omo Ilishoware. Waiting the whole thing when DSS can't tell us. All na fake news. So supposing now they implemented that fake news stuff, maybe now that Ifunanya and the Bichi, now them therefore take first give example with the the hanging thing when they say them go they hang themselves if them make fake news or then do give fake speech or hate speech or whatever you may call it. So you could know the level of lies when these people they lie. Even they continue to lie, even when they don't, the American people don't bounce in. In fact, this is just the beginning for these Nigerian politicians when they're not here. So as Una for say no, so una not go release more Ilishoware. As una don't come back say, oh, nothing. Una don't tell us say America, no, they not fit do us anything. We be this, we be that. In fact, all those people now, Femi Adesina, Gabashew, all of them now, all of them don't hide their face. You they see them, they don't hide their face. Far, including Ifunanya. Now still there is this Ifunanya come and come tell Nigerian people say they don't catch somebody when make the doctored video, when make the fake video against Buhari and his wife. Say Buhari want marry 2 wives. I see the same man. So the thing I want tell una when be the politicians when they Nigeria make una stop to the lie. We don't know who una be. Anything when they open mouth they talk. Na lie. Una never tell us any facts, any real thing one day. Everything na wayo all the time. So, okay, make I go back to waiting American people tell these people. Then tell them, say, when I release that guy, make sure say nothing touch that guy when be sure. Before you know, they can't deny again, say not be waiting American people talk, now it makes it and release with their free mind. You don't see why they release somebody with free mind. Here they go just open gate for you. Say, okay, make gonna go. Okay, you now when be the AGF as you take release with your free mind. Go release Azazaki, release everybody. Everybody want a whole unnecessary, unjustly. One day for prison. Do you understand? Make una go release. Now so they claim say una do a matter of una mind. On compassionate grounds. Go do it with other people. Free everybody. One I know say no hold unjustly. People will not be criminals because now them plenty past criminals one I hold in prison. Whether na DSS then, whether na normal prison. The innocent people when they there plenty past people when commit crime. So make una go release them. Why can't be saying only show water? If not be waiting America tell on her. So now the first thing they don't tell us say then they watch owner. Now the Nigerian people when they travel to America, ladies and gentlemen, according to statistic, they don't drop drastically since when American people don't tell them say they're not going to come in America any year. People not the fear not they let them near America again. Both the politicians ask them how many times they don't go America since when that thing don't happen. Every day before they did America. So American people, American government, they on Nigeria now. And we they wait make them intervene because waiting they happen in Nigeria not be something when supposed to they happen to you when they home there. So we they call on Donald Trump, we they call on American people to come help us, to come rescue us out of these people hand. These people won't be evil people, APC and PDP, the Caliphate, the Kaaba, the Boko Haram, the Hesme, the Kaaba government, all of them. They then come rescue us. And they must to help us to come out from this mess where we did. Because a mess where we did. A big mess Nigerian people did. You understand? It just be like where, the way where because these people, they're not past 20,000 when they do us all this thing. They do 200 million people this thing. So it just be like where them people, all those wrestlers, where they fight. Then they beat us better beating these people. Then they beat us and we they whip 247. Better beating because we disagree to acknowledge, say these people then be evil. You understand? Got a lot of people, millions of people in Nigeria, no greasy road, no green hear word. They know they feed this thing when they smell come out from this evil government. So now better beating these 20,000 people when they into government, they beat 200 million Nigerian people. What a shame. What a shame. We have to be ashamed of ourselves because we know they try. We got to stand up against these people to make sure they implement good things in our country. Make sure they put things good. Things, everything that is good. Not before this fake thing where they come, they tell us, they go inaugurate grant when not get anything. They go do all this kind of a thing when we say nothing there. Then go inaugurate, then go build. Then go inaugurate, then go build. Then go chop the money. Swallow the money and nothing will happen. So we are in danger, ladies and gentlemen. We need to call on American people, an American government. We need to call Donald Trump to come and help us. And we continue to seek their help until the Biafra restoration come. Until the freedom of 200 million Nigerian people come. One love, everybody. And see you next time. If you know, say you never subscribed before, make you subscribe. This is their propaganda. May say enough is enough. You, when they listen to them before, no say, now why you, then they tell you. Nothing when they tell you won't be true. You get. Share this video, share and scatter. Make sure you press that bell so that anytime when I upload, you will see get my video. One love, everybody, and see you next time. And bye.